Ready to discover some wild facts about forests? You'll never look at trees the same way again. Forests cover about 31% of all land on Earth. Imagine that. They're not just beautiful green spaces. They also produce around 28% of the world's oxygen, helping us breathe every day. The Amazon rainforest is the largest in the world, stretching over a massive 5.5 million square kilometers. And here's something wild. Over 80% of all land animals and plants call forests their home. Plus, forests are on the front lines fighting climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. Next time you see a tree, remember, it's part of Earth's awesome natural team. Wild things discover more every day.